Larry Mandelberg here with your Business Suicide Prevention Minute, and today's topic is partnerships. The issue of allowing someone to become a partner in your business cannot be based on emotion, friendship, or anything other than a specific skill set. There are 3 skill sets that every business must have in order to survive. The first is the ability to market. The second is the ability to create product. And the third is the ability to manage finance. So this abbreviated format doesn't give me the opportunity to go into depth, but I've worked with many partnerships over the years that brought friends in and people who didn't have these skills, and the partnership eventually collapsed. If you can't hire these skill sets, manage money, do the marketing, create product, that's when you need to bring in a partner. Other than that, there's no reason to bring in a partner in a privately held company. If you'd like to read more about this or share any of your experiences with me, please go to my Mandel blog at lmandelberg.com, where you can find more about partnerships and business suicide prevention. Thank you.